ka odhi nyime weche mag pur. En jopur e kaunti ma Nyamira ojiw mondo mi odonjre pur mar avocado maket kod has kod fuete mano bende kaka achiel kuom yo bero yuto margi. Kane oloso chenro mag golo puonj ne jopur e kadak ma Nyansiongo mayudore Burabu, jatend migawo mapur e kaunti no Alice Manoti osingo ne jopur kuonde uso e pinje maoko. Jopur bende misingo mar omenda mar konyogi e bero weche mag pur mar avocado.
People come and exploit you because you are vulnerable. You're not organized. You're not a unit. Your neighbor wants to sell at 120. Another neighbor wants to sell at 100. Another neighbor wants to sell at 150.
The Polish government, tulikuwa nao, wakasema they want to sign an agreement with the governor Nyamira, wachukue avocado directly kutoka Nyamira.
The county has a total of 2,100 hectares and avocado, with an average yield of 14 tons per hectare per year, translating to about 5 billion Kenya shillings income for last year. Our development partners, in collaboration with my government, will come together in charting the way forward in solving the challenges facing avocado farmers, especially in availability of the right input.